Hello everyone, welcome to HACKERADE. This is me Aaron. Today we will unbox our new product Flipper Zero. This product I purchased it from Flipper Zero website and it was directly imported from US to India. I had to pay some custom charges for it, but finally I got it today. And as you all know, Flipper Zero is a multi-tool portable hardware hacking device. With this you can hack RFIDs, wireless connections, Wi-Fi's, and furthermore. So let's see what's there inside the box. So let's see what's there inside the box. Further, we will continue our hardware hacking series with Flipper Zero. Do join us and explore further new techniques of hardware hacking with Flipper Zero. The packing is good. This is our, I think, the main product, Flipper Zero. This is the silicone case, I think, and this is the Wi-Fi dev board with Flipper Zero, and there's nothing more inside this. Now let's see what we all have got under this bubble wrap. This is the developer board for Flipper Zero, and this board is used for Wi-Fi hacking, for packet capturing and jamming services for Wi-Fi only. So let's see what's there inside. Further, let's see what's there more. This is the silicone case. Now at last we will unbox our main product, Flipper Zero. We got the Flipper sticker. We have the charging cable, or you can say the data transfer cable. It's quite sturdy and good. This is our main product, Flipper Zero. Now we shall start and see what's saying. Hold this button to wake me up. Oh, it's on. We shall pull this sticker. I think the device is working properly. Sub-gigahertz, 105 kilohertz RFID, NFC, infrared, GPIO, I button, bad USB. This will be using this function for hacking phones and computer systems. There is settings. As you can see, there is some ports for GPIO pins. There are total 18 number of pins. We'll be using this dev board with Flipper Zero. Now we will put this Wi-Fi dev board into this. Let's power it on. It requires an SD card. Need an SD card, it's showing. I think the device is working properly. There is no issue with this. Now we will remove this card for time being, and we will put the silicone cover onto this. Let's see how it looks. You can connect this board from after applying this cover also. Now we will see how much power supply does it need to get charged or turn on. It says input voltage 5 volt 1 ampere. We'll be using this charging cable or data transfer cable for charging. As you have seen our unboxing video of Flipper Zero, do join us and further explore new hardware hacking series with Flipper Zero. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.